Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I want to do a project share with you. Stay tuned. So I have been having an awesome time with this project. I have truly enjoyed making it, so I have spent the day making bunches of these, and I have two of them that I'm going to share with you guys. And the first one is this absolutely stunning case featuring some of my favorite ladies from the ROSSI paper that you guys know that I am so fond of. It's the Italian wrapping paper. And boy, does it look fabulous, fabulous on this case. You've got those beautiful ladies all decked out, and then you've got these beautiful polka dots on the side. We have feet, the black handle with the metal accents, and we just have a stunningly beautiful piece. And then I made a second one using some of the ROSSI paper, and this is that beautiful shoe paper that is just to die for. I don't know if you guys can see the gold in this, but this paper is awesome. It is so pretty and so easy to work with. You can make these up in no time at all because you're working with large sheets of paper, so you already have what you need to lay out multiple pieces of chipboard. And you know what, guys? This is a giveaway video. My winner is going to get their choice of one of these two fabulous boxes, and the boxes will be filled with all types of goodies. So I know that there has been a lot of interest in these boxes. So to participate, you must be at least 18 or older. You must be a visible subscriber to my channel. This is an absolute must. So this is a 1 entry per person giveaway. So once you enter, you cannot enter anymore. But you can increase the number of entries that you actually have. And here's how you do it. The first thing is, if you refer a new subscriber, if you refer someone and they subscribe to my channel and they tag you, then you'll get 5 additional entries into this drawing. And in my description box, I am going to have a particular link. If you have a Facebook account and you take that link that's in my description box and you do a post about the Posh Paper Lady and you attach that link and share that link, you get 10 additional entries. And if you have an Instagram and you share one of the projects that you have made from my channel and you tag it, hashtag Posh Paper Lady, you can get 5 entries for that. So there are 3 different ways for you to actually get additional entries, and I will have all of this detailed in the description box. But I wanted to just show you guys again. You guys have been looking at these, but I mean, come on, they're really gorgeous, and you know you want one. So make sure that if you are interested in this giveaway, you send an email to poshpaperladygiveaways@gmail.com. So sign up begins on Saturday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, and ends on Sunday, May 24th at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I will announce the winner on Tuesday, May 26th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you are the winner, you must claim your prize within 24 hours, which means that by 5 p.m. on Wednesday, May 27th, you need to have claimed your prize. So again, you need to send an email to poshpaperladygiveaways@gmail.com. And I hope that you guys are excited about this, because whoever wins this, like I said, I am going to have this just filled with all types of goodies and whatnot, because it really is one of my ways of saying thank you so much for supporting my channel. It's also a part of the 50,000 extravaganza that we're doing on the channel. So this is just another way for me to give back to my wonderful, wonderful online crafting family. So you guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye. Oh, wait a minute, one more thing. Forgot a key piece of how to enter. And you'll know how to do this if you watch this video until the very end. That is one of the things that I'm really trying to promote on my channel, is watching my videos until the video has completely ended. So when you send your email to poshpaperladygiveaways@gmail.com, make sure that you put in the subject line the words travel case. That is how you enter this giveaway, travel case. Then if you are referring someone, make sure that they put travel case and then your screen name next to it. That way I'll know who you are that referred this new subscriber, and you can get your 5 points. I am not going to put this particular information in the description box, because if you're watching the video until the end of the video, you're going to have all of the information that you need to participate in this giveaway. Y'all have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.